Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome and thank you for joining us today. I'm Fadhurman Imon, founder and CEO of Electro, a dedicated service provider for home and office appliances. At Electro, our mission is to ensure that your essential appliances function optimally and to remain in top conditions. We specialized in repairing and maintaining air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machine, television, and micro-ovens. We are providing service to both residential and commercial clients. We have been committed to delivering reliable, high quality, and timely service, ensuring customer satisfaction with every task we undertake, whether it's routine maintenance or complex repair. Our team of skilled technicians is equipped to handle a wide range of appliance issues. Of course, our focus is on building lasting our focus is on building lasting relationship. Our focus Our focus is on building lasting relationship with our clients by offering transparency, affordability, and technical expertise. At Electrocare, we don't just repair appliances, we provide peace of mind knowing that your home and office are in good hands. Thank you for considering Electrocare. Thank you for considering Electrocare as your trusted service partner.